My name is Manik Sharma and I live in Panchkula, Haryana. I've recently been operated by Dr. Amit Garg. I had a ileostomy surgery in 2019 and it was an open stomach surgery. And after that surgery, there were a lot of complications which had happened in my stomach. So one is that multiple hernias had got developed because of the open stomach surgery. There was also a lot of scars right from the top of my stomach till bottom, which also would take away my confidence, because whenever I looked at my stomach area, I would feel very low that what has happened to me. So I took a consultation from Dr. Amit, gave me the confidence and guided me on the procedure that should happen so that I can go back to a normal life. I also had consulted 2 more doctors, to be honest, but the way Dr. Amit Garg explained everything and the plan that he told me was very convincing, and that gave me a lot of trust that if I have to get these defects in my stomach removed, then it has to be from Dr. Amit Garg. And very recently I got my surgery done in Fortis, and Dr. Amit Garg and his team took care of me. Amit Garg being an expert in advanced laparoscopic treatment, so he did multiple things in a single surgery. Because earlier there was an open stomach surgery which had happened, so there was a chance that a laparoscopic surgery may not happen. It was looking a little difficult, but Dr. Amit Garg told me that if there is at all even minute possibility, he would prefer to do a laparoscopic surgery. And I also wanted a laparoscopic surgery because the kind of trauma I had to undergo in 2019, I didn't want to undergo the same trauma. So but then of course I left it at Dr. Amit Garg's discretion to take the best decision. So when my surgery happened, he was able to laparoscopically correct the defect, put a mesh. He could also remove all the adhesions because of which my stomach and intestine were sticking with each other. So this was one of the major things that happened. And at the same time, Dr. Amit also did a cosmetic procedure on the front of my stomach, and then he removed the entire piece of scar, and then he did a very fine repair of the stomach. So now one is that my hernia is corrected, the mesh is there which is protecting and giving me a lot of strength in my stomach area, in my core. At the same time, aesthetically things have become very different, so I feel very confident, and the bulge of my stomach has also reduced, and I feel like my stomach is almost back to how it was, which was quite flat for 2019. Yeah, so because laparoscopic surgery had happened, which essentially meant that there were only 3 small holes which were made to do the surgery. So the recovery was super fast. One is that there was no infection, and I was discharged the 3rd day, and then I have even resumed my office. Now I can drive. I could come back to the normal life very quickly. Apart from the fact that Dr. Amit is a very capable, one of the best I have encountered in Tri-City, I believe he's also a very kind human, because he also is very considerate about how I am recovering, and then how he's going to do everything. So he's overall a great gentleman, I can say. And then I'm very fortunate that I've been treated by Dr. Amit and his team. His expertise, his kindness, and everything has helped me revive my confidence. So thank you so much, Dr. Amit. I owe so much to you. Because of you, I feel very happy at this stage. So thank you so much.